asking for your Wi-Fi password again? Let's make it easier. Here's how to instantly share your Wi-Fi password via AirDrop in iOS 18. Before we start, hit subscribe so you don't miss more smart iPhone tricks like this one. Step 1. Make sure both iPhones have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes or contacts only. Step 2. Now make sure both devices are unlocked and close to each other. Step 3. On your iPhone, the one already connected to Wi-Fi, open the settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Step 4. Tap the info icon next to the connected Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Tap password. You'll need to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Step 6. Once the password is visible, tap the share icon, then choose AirDrop. Step 7. Select the person's iPhone from the AirDrop list. They'll instantly get a prompt to join the network with your password already filled in. One tap and they're connected. No more reading out long passwords. Now you can AirDrop your Wi-Fi in seconds. Hit subscribe for more iPhone tips that make your life easier every day.